All right, welcome to the level one tutorial series. So over the next multi-episode series, we're going to be building a fully integrated 2D, 3D landscape model in Vectorworks Landmark from scratch, essentially. We aren't just drafting a basic 2D plan though. By the time we're done with this series, you'll have a project that not only looks great in 3D, but you can actually use basics of BIM to automatically communicate construction detail, material quantities, things like that, right onto your plans. To get there, we're going to build this project step by step. So using the exact workflow that I would use daily in my remote landscape architecture studio, the project itself is very simple, but the tools that are used throughout are the same, that you'd use for 80% of projects out there. So they're the most useful tools within Vectorworks Landmark for a residential landscape designer. We're going to start with importing a raw site survey and building a proper 3D site model. From there, we'll tackle hardscapes, landscaped areas, 3D design elements, 3D plantings. And after all of that's done, finally laying out a clean and professional documentation set also. Stripping away all the, generic fluff around using particular tools. It's not just going to be a tool specific tutorial. It's going to be how you actually use them within a workflow of producing a landscape design so that it can actually be built. Now, I've always hated watching CAD tutorials without having the actual files to practice on. So I'm going to have you working alongside me. I've set up the studio floor on Patreon. It's completely free to join. Once you join up, you'll be able to get access to the checkpoint file link. So it's essentially just going to be a Google Drive with multiple files in it, so that every time we go through an episode, you can open up that specific file and work on from that point. Or you can start with file 0, file 1 from the first episode and build it out entirely on your own. The option is just to have that there. If you do get lost or you can't figure out a particular thing, you can open up that next file, have a look and see where yours differs from that one and learn that way. So it's just a good way to practice. Everything you need to complete the project will be within those files also. So that includes material resources and hardscape styles and things like that. So you'll be able to follow along like for like the whole way through. So the link to join the Patreon is in the description below. Go grab the episode 1 starting file, get your workspace comfortable, and I'll see you in the next video where we start building out the layer structure and importing files and PDFs and things like that. Very basic to start with, but we'll work our way through until we've got a completed project. I look forward to seeing you there. Let's get to work.